Good morning, prep2. This is a new revision with Mr. Walid. Today we'll take a new revision for algebra, beginning with applications lessons. Example. As we remember, application lesson is about cube and cuboid and sphere and cylinder and circle. We have to know all the rules for these shapes. Example, a cube with volume 125 centimeter cube. Find its total area and lateral area. As we know, the cube, its face square. It means length equal width. And volume for cube equal L by L by L. It means volume equal L cube. We have here the volume. Then we have to find L length side. Then we can say volume equal L cube. Then put volume 125, make substitution. Then 125 equal L cube. Then we can get length side for L cube. Then we can say L equal cube root for 125 by calculating. Then we get L equal 5 centimeter. Then we have to get total area and lateral area. We have to know that the lateral area equal 4L square and total area equal 6L square. Lateral area 4 because we have 4 faces for cube, and total area 6L square because we have 6 faces for the cube. Then we can say LA it means lateral area. LA equal 4L square. Then lateral area equal 4 by L square. We get L equal 5. Then we can say 4 by 5 square equal 100 centimeter square. Then we can say total area. It means TA total area equal 6L square. 6 by 5 square equal 150 centimeter square. Another example, a cube, the sum of its edges 60 cm. Find its volume and its total area. As we know, for a cube we have 6 faces, 8 vertices, and 12 edge. Here, as this example, cube. The cube like cuboid. Each of them has the same face, 6 faces, and the same vertices, 8 vertices, and the same edges, 12 edges. And here, the sum of cube for all its edges. Then we have to get the length for one edge. We have, as I said, we have 12 edge. Then we can say length for one edge equal 60 over 12 equal 5 centimeter. Then we can say volume equal L cube as the same example. Then we can say volume equal 5 cube equal 5 by 5 by 5 equal 125 centimeter cube. Then we can get TA total area. Total area equal 6L square. It means 6 by 5 square equal 6 by 25 equal 150 centimeter square. Another example about cuboid. We have to know the difference between cube and cuboid. Cube as a shape, its face as a square, it means length equal width. But the cuboid as a rectangle face, it means we have length difference width. Difference about it. Then we can say length, width, height. Then we can say for cuboid, volume equal length by width by height. The dimension of cuboids are 9 centimeter, 10 centimeter, and 5 centimeter. Dimension, it means length and width and height. And find volume, lateral area, and total area. As we know, volume equal length by width by height. Then we can say volume for cuboid equal 9 by 10 by 5 equal 450 centimeter cube. Lateral area equal, we have to know lateral area equal perimeter by height, or we can say 2 open brackets x plus y by z. X it means width, length, y it means width, z it means height, or we can say lateral area equal perimeter by height. Then we can say 2 open brackets 9 plus 10 length plus width by 5. 10 plus 9 equal 19 by 2 equal 38. 38 by 5 equal 190. Also we can say total area equal lateral area 2 by open brackets 2 by xy plus 2y plus 2x. As we say 2 open brackets 9 by 5 plus 2 by 10 plus 2 by 5, and get it by calculating. Another example, the volume of a sphere equal 4188 centimeter cube. Find its radius. Volume for sphere equal 4 over 3 by r cube. Then we can substitute for volume, put 4188 equal 4 over 3 by, we can put by 22 over 7 or 3.14. Here we can put it 22 over 7. Then we can say 4 over 3 by 22 over 7 by r cube. Then 4188 equal 4 by 22 equal 88 over 3 by 7 equal 21 by r cube. 88 here is up, put it down in the other side, and 22 is down. We can put 22 by 22 is up for the other side. Then we can say r cube equal 4188 by 21 over 88. Then we can say r cube root. Then we can get by calculating r equal 10 centi. Another example, inequality. Find the SS for the inequality 2x plus 6 less than 2 and draw the number line representing by interval. Then we can say positive 6, put it on the other side by negative 6. Then we can say 2x less than 2 minus 6. Then 2x equal less than negative 4. 2 here is up, we can put it on the other side down. Then we can say x less than negative 4 over 2. Then can say x less than negative 2. As we see the number line, we put negative 2. Then here x less than negative 2, less than, it means negative infinite. If we have more than, we put positive infinite. Then we can say negative 2 here is open because there is x less than negative 2. There is no equal. If we have equal, we put shaded circle. It means closed, but here it's open. Another example. 5 minus 4x less than or equal negative 3. Put 5 on the other side. Here is positive, put it on the other side negative. Then we can say negative 4x less than or equal negative 3, negative 5. Then we can say negative 4x less than or equal negative 8. Dividing by negative 4. When we divide negative number, we have to change the sign for x for the inequality. If it means less than, I put it more than. If it was more than, I put it less than. Here x less than, then we can change it, the sign of the inequality, to make it more than. Then we can say x more than or equal negative 4 over negative 8 over negative 4. It means x more than or equal 2. Then we can draw the number line 2 close because we have here equal, more than or equal. Shaded part, we can make the circle close, shaded circle. Then x more than, it means positive infinite. Then we can make the line towards the positive infinite. 2 less than 3x minus 4 less than or equal 12. Then we can put negative 4, make it positive 4 on the two sides. Then we can say 3x, okay, but put 4 positive here. Then we can say 2 plus 4 less than or equal less than 3x less than or equal 12 plus 4. 2 plus 4, it means 6. Then put 6 divide 3 less than x less than or equal 15 divide 3. It means 1. It's not 12, it's 11. Then we can say 2 less than x less than or equal 5. Then draw the number line as it. 5 shaded circle and 2 open. Then we can make 5 close and 2 open as it. And this is the interval. Another interval and another inequality. 3 less than 3 minus 5x less than 13. We can put negative 3 on the two sides and dividing by negative 5. Then we can say 3 minus 3 divide negative 5. We have to change the sign for inequality because we divided by negative 5. Then we can say 0, and the other side also 13 minus 3 divided negative 5. Then we can say 0 more than x more than negative 2. Put the number line, both of them negative 2 and 0 open, and make the interval. Another example. this is for lesson graphing the equation. Represent the following relation graphically. I have here x plus y equal to, as I told you before, I have to put x equal any numbers I want, choose, put here x 0, then I can get x plus 0 equal to, then y equal to, then when I put x equal 0, then I get y equal to. If I make substitution for x equal to, then I get y equal 0. Then I can draw the relation here. I get first point 0 and 2. I put point on 2 for y axis. Then the other point is 2 and 0. As I said, then I can draw line between the 2 points. I get this drawing. Another example represents the following graphically. Y minus 2x plus 1 equals 0. If I put x equals 0, I get y equal 1 by substitution. If I get x equal half, then y equals 0. Then I can draw the point for x and y 0, 1 and half 0. Find the slope of the straight line that passing through the point 1, 2 and 3 and 3. We have to remember the slope for any straight line equal y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Then I can get 2 minus 3 up. Then I put down 1 minus 3. Then I get slope equal 1 over 2. Another example, find the slope of the straight line that passing through points a4 and negative 3 and 5 and 2. Then the slope equal negative 3 minus 2 over 4 minus 5. Then slope equal 5. Another example, find the slope of the straight line that passing through the point A, negative 2, negative 3 and negative 4, 1. Then I can say slope equal negative 3, negative 1, negative 2, minus 4, it means positive 4. Then I get slope negative 2. Another example, find the median of the values 5, 11, 7, 14, 10. For the median, I have to make first a range by ascending or descending. Anyway, by ascending, 5, 7, 10, 11, 14. Then I get the number in the middle, that's 10. Then I can say the median is 10. Another example, find the median of the values 2, 6, 1, 8, 4. By arranging, I get 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Here, the values is even, but the last example is odd. When I get the middle numbers in the middle, then I get two numbers, not one like this. Last example, 10. I get here 4 and 6, just two numbers. Then I can say median equal 4 plus 6 divided 2 equal 5. This is a model for geometry. The longest side in the right angle triangle is hypotenuse. If the length of two sides of a triangle are 2 and 7, then we can say the difference between the two sides 5 less than the length of the third side more than 8. Then we can say, as we remember, if I have any triangle, any sides on the triangle less than the difference between two sides and less than the sum of two sides. Okay. Number 3, if the measure of two angles in a triangle are different, then the greater in measure them is opposite to greater side. If the median drawn from a vertex of a triangle equal half the opposite side to this vertex in length, then the vertex is right. If the measure of an angle in the isosceles triangle equals 60, it means the triangle is equilateral triangle. ABC is an equilateral triangle. Then measure angle ACD. Measure angle ACD, it means equal 120. When I get it, ABC is equilateral triangle, it means that all angles A and B and ACB equal 60 degree. Then the exterior angle ACD equal 180 minus 60 equal 120. XYZ is a triangle in which measure angle Z equals 70, measure angle Y equals 60, then YZ less than XY because the side is opposite to the smaller angle is less than the other side is opposite to greater angle. Example, in the opposite figure, measure angle A equal 50, AB equal AC, and ADBC triangle is an equilateral triangle. Find measure angle ABD. Measure angle ABD. It means measure angle ABC plus measure angle CBD. Triangle ADBC is equilateral triangle. It means all angles equal 60. Then I get the first angle CBD. Then how can I get measure angle ABC? Measure angle A equal 50. And measure and AB equal AC, it means measure angle ABC equal measure angle ACB. Then I can say 180 minus 50 equal 130, divide 2. Then I get ABC equal 65. Then I say measure angle ABD equal 65 plus 60 equal 125. Thank you, prep2, for this revision, and I hope we'll make a new revision inshallah soon. Thank you all of you.